Here we studied Unit 5, second chapter is numerical solution of simultaneous equation. So first example is solve the following equations by Gauss-Seidal method. So first is 15x plus 2y plus z is equal to 18. Then second example, second example is 2x plus 20y minus 3z is equal to 90 and 3x minus 6y plus 25z is equal to 22. Then here carry out 3 iterations only. So first upon write down given system of equations is 15x plus 2y plus z is equal to 18. Then second equation 2x plus 20y plus minus 3z is equal to 90. And third equation 3x minus 6y plus 25z is equal to 22. And in this here diagonal elements are 15x, 20y and 25z. So here 15 is greater than 2 and 1, 20 is greater than 2 and 3 and 25 is greater than 3 and 6. Hence the coefficient matrix is diagonally dominant. Hence, first find out x, y and z. So here find x, y, z from equation first, second and third. So from equation first, coefficient of x is 15. So 1 divided by 15, 18 minus 2y minus z. Then y from equation second, 1 divided by 20, 19 minus 2x plus 3z. And z from equation third is 1 divided by 25, 22 minus 3x plus 6y, and these are fourth, 5 and 6 equation. Then from this find out first iteration, find out first iteration, and for first iteration x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 0 and z0 is equal to 0. Then first find out x1 from equation first. It's 1 divided by 15, 18 minus 2y minus z. So here y0 and z0. So put this value 1 divided by 15, 18 minus 2 into y0 is 0 and z0 is 0. Hence 1 divided by 15, 18 minus 2 into 0 is 0 minus 0, which is equal to 18 divided by 15, and 18 divided by 15 and 18 divided by 15, which is equal to 1.2. Hence x1 is the 1.2. Then from this find out the y1. From equation second, 1 divided by 20, 19 minus 2x plus 3z, and here we find out x1, so x1 and z0. So 1 divided by 20, 19 minus 2 into x1 is 1.2 plus 3 into z0 is 0. So find out this value first. 19 minus 2 into 1.2, which is equal to 16.6, and 3 into 0 is 0, so 16.6 divided by 20, divided by 20, which is equal to 0.83, 0.83. So y1 is 0.83. Then find out z1. So z1 from equation third, 1 divided by 25, 22 minus 3x plus 6y, which is equal to 1 divided by 25, 22 minus, here we find out x1 y1, so 3 into x1 is 1.2 plus 6 into y1 is 0.83. So first find out this value. 22 minus in bracket 3 into 1.2 plus 6 into 0.83, and which is equal to 23.38, 23.38 divided by 25, divided by 25, which is equal to 0.9352, 0.9352. And Z1 is 0.9352. Then from this, find out x2, y2 and z2. Second iteration. For second iteration, from x1 is equal to 1.2, y1 is equal to 0.83 and z1 is 0.9352. From these, find out x2. x2 from equation first, 1 divided by 15, 18 minus 2y minus z. So here y1 and z1, so put this value, 18 minus 2 into y1 is 0.83 minus z1 is 0.9352. So first find out this value, 18 minus in bracket 2 into 0.83 minus 0.9352, which is equal to 15.4048. 15.4048 divided by 15 which is equal to 1.0209. 1.0289. These are x2 is 1.0289. Then find out y2. So y2, which is equal to y2 from equation second, 1 divided by 20, 19 minus 2x plus 3z. So here we find out x2, so x2 and z1. So 1 divided by 20, 19 minus 2 into x2 is 1.0289 plus 3 into z1 is 0.9352. Then find out this value first. 19 minus 2 into 1.0289 plus 3 into 0.9352, and which is equal to 19.7478. 19.7478 divided by 20, which is equal to 0.9873. And here 739 means 4 and 7 4, hence y2 is 0.9874. Then find out Z2. From equation third, Z2 is 1 divided by 25. 22 minus 3x plus 6y. But here we know that x2 and y2. So put x2 and y2. So 1 divided by 25. 22 minus 3 into x2 is 1.0289 plus 6 into y2 is 0.9874. So first find out this value. 22 minus 3 into 1.0289 plus 6 into 0.9874, which is equal to 24.8377, divided by 25, which is equal to 11.9935. 24.8377 divided by 25, which is equal to 0.9935. 0.9935. So Z2 is equal to 0.9935. So from this find out third iteration. From this equation, x2 is equal to 1.0289, y2 is 0.9874, and z2 is equal to 0.9935. From this, first find out x3. From equation first, x3 is 1 divided by 15, 18 minus 2y minus z, and here we find out y2 and z2. So 1 divided by 15, 18 minus 2 into y2 is 0.9874 minus z2 is 0.9935. Then first find out this value. 18 minus 2 into 0.9874 minus 0.9935, and which is equal to 15.0317. 15.0317 divided by 15, which is equal to 1.0021. 1.0021, hence x3 is equal to 1.0021. Then find out y3. from equation second is 1 divided by 20, 19 minus 2x plus 3z, and here put x3 and here z2. So 1 divided by 20, 19 minus 2 into x3 is 1.0021 plus 3 into z2 is 0.9935. So first find out this value. 19 minus 2 into 1 2 into 1.0021 plus 3 into 0.9935, and which is equal to 19.9763, and which is equal to 19.9763. 19.9763 divided by 20 divided by 20, which is equal to 0.9988. 0.9988 means y3, which is 0.9988. Then find out z3. So z3 from equation third, 1 divided by 25, 22 minus 3x plus 6y, and here we find out x3 and y3. So 1 divided by 25, 22 minus 3 into x3 is 1.0021 plus 6 into y3 is 0.9988. So first find out this value. 22 minus 3 into 1.0021 plus 6 into 0.9988, and which is equal to 24.9865. 24.9865 divided by 25, and this is divided by 25, which is equal to 0.99946, and here 6 is greater than 5, so here what's the next number? 5. So 0.9995 z3 is 0.9995. So here carry out only 3 iterations. So after third iteration, approximate solution is x is equal to 1.0021, y is equal to 0.9988, and z is equal to 0.9995, and these are the solution by using Gauss-Seidal method. Then We give the second example. With the following system of equation, five x minus y is equal to 9, x minus 5y plus z is equal to minus 4, and y minus 5z is equal to 6. Then set up the Gauss-Seidal iteration scheme. Gauss-Seidal iteration scheme for solution. Iterate two lines, iterate two times using initial approximation x0 is equal to 1.5, y0 is equal to 0.5, and z0 is equal to minus 0.5. Then first of all, write down given system of equations are 5x minus y, which is equal to 9, then x minus 5y plus z is equal to minus 4, and third is y minus 5z is equal to 6. So here diagonal elements are 5x, 5y and 5z. Here 5 is greater than 1, here 5 is greater than 1 and 1, and here 5 is greater than 1. So this coefficient matrix is diagonally dominant. Is diagonally dominant. Hence, first find out xyz. Here hence find xyz from equation first, second and third. First, second and third. So from first equation, coefficient of x is 5, so 1 by 5, 9, here minus y, so here plus y. Then find out y from equation second is 1 divided by minus 5, minus 4 minus x minus z. And third equation, coefficient of z is minus 5 and 6 minus y. Hence these are fourth, 5 and 6 equation. Then from this equation find out first iteration. So here त्यांनी initial approximation दिले. Taking initial approximation, x0 is equal to 1.5, y0 is equal to 0.5 and z0 is equal to minus 0.5. So first upon find out x1 from equation first. It's 1 divided by 5, 9 plus y. Means here y0. So 1 divided by 5, 9 plus y0 is 0.5. Hence first find out this value. 9 plus 0.5 is 9.5 divided by 5. Hence 9.5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1.9. So x1 is 1.9. Then find out y1. So here y1 from equation second, 1 divided by minus 5 minus 4 minus x minus z. So here we find out x1. So x1 and z0. So 1 divided by minus 5 minus 4 minus x1 is 1.9 minus z0 is minus 0.5. So find out first this value. Minus 4, here minus 4 minus 1.9 minus 1.9 and here minus minus plus 0.5, which is equal to minus 5.4. Minus 5.4 divided by minus 5. Divided by minus 5, which is equal to 1.08. Is 1.08. So y1, which is equal to 1.08. Then find out z1. So z1 from equation third, 1 divided by minus 5, 6 minus y, and here we find out y1. So y1, 1 divided by minus 5, 6 minus y1 is 1.08. So 6 minus 1.08, which is equal to 4.92. divided by -5 divided by -5, which is equal to -0.984, means -0.984. So Z1 is -0.984. Then from this, here find out iterate two times, means only find out two iteration. In second iteration, from this x1 is 1.9, y1 is 1.08, and z1, which is equal to minus 0.984. Then from this equation, this value find out x2 from equation first. 1 divided by 5, 9 plus y, and here y1, so which is equal to 1 divided by 5, 9 plus y1 is 1.08, so which is equal to, first find out this value, 9 plus 1.08, which is equal to 10.08, divided by 5, which is equal to 2.016. 2.016. These are the x2 is 2.016. 2.016. Then find out y2, and y2 from equation second is 1 divided by -5, -4, -x, -z. So here find out x2, so x2, and here z1. So 1 divided by -5, -4, -x2 is 2.016, z1 is -0.984. So first find out this value, -4 minus 2.016, and here minus plus 0.984, and which is equal to -5.032, divided by -5, divided by -5, which is equal to 1.0064. So y2 is 1.0064. Then find out z2. So z2 from equation third is 1 divided by -5, 6 minus y, and here we find out y2. So 1 divided by -5, 6 minus y2 is 1.0064. Then first find out this value, 6 minus 1.0064 and which is equal to 4.9936. 4.9936 divided by minus 5 divided by minus 5 which is equal to 0.9987. 0.9987. So Z2 is 0.9987. Here minus sign, so here minus 0.9987. So Z2 is minus 0.9987. Hence here carry out only two iterations, means iterate two times only. Hence after second iteration, approximate solution is x is equal to 2.016, y is equal to 1.0064 and z is equal to minus 0.9987, and these are the solution by using Gauss-Seidal method.